Okay, we're here right po si Sir Labares po, number 12 po ng team Pure Project. Sir, ay sino parang unti-unti nag-jelly po talaga team niyo po talaga. And dito balito po talaga parang you're still ang blemish talaga po sir sa liga po to. Even though, TikTok pa, bagong team po kayo.
Yeah.
Newcomer po talaga kayo, newcomer.
Yes, before coming to this tournament.
Sige, okay, go.
Yeah, before coming into this tournament, I
Yes, okay.
before my actually we were surprised that we were facing the first top 3 teams.
Yeah, the top 15
But it's a good,
Yeah, you defeated already in Flags. That's number 2 on the last series. You defeated now this one. That's a champion. Then, it's effort in it also.
but at least facing them,
That's the number 4 in the last season.
facing them on the early stages of the tournament, I think guys that they might not still have the commission of the so it's good for us also.
And to still, for sure, that like sila Varia, yung Visto Brothers also, yun talaga parang pinaka-bread and butter nyo. Of course, Jose, yung pinaka-centro yun talaga. Na,
It's good that we have Jose on the team.
yeah, kasi also, we know, if I think he's on it, he has his own boobs also. This, Jose.
Actually, I saw him in PDAP.
Ah,
I asked him when he works. And he told me he's working today. So
therefore, this team was literally been formed in the games of Alvida Park. So that's why. Okay, Sir Lavarias, Sir Coach Lavarias, sige po, I'll give you now 1 minute to shout out your friends, loved ones, and of course, yung supportador niyo po. Sige.
thank you for the team. Thank you for this is for all of them.
Okay.
Especially also for my family who's watching now. And
Okay.
for Mekos team of HIA.
Mekos team.
Engineer Rob Mayorga.
Oh,
Engineer
okay.
Jose, Engineer Corazon.
Okay.
Engineer Bernard Escamilla who is not playing.
Okay.
Good luck, team.
Thank you, Sir. Sir, 3-0 po kayo. Still undefeated po. Yan po, winning coach po. Number 3, Sir Lavarias. Ng QR Projects. 3